Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. And today guys, we have one of my favorite boxes that comes every quarter. We have Curateur and it is in this box, and this is a quarterly box and it costs $125 a quarter. This box is curated by Xoxo and it always has such fashionable items in it. These are items that can run, a couple $100 sometimes. Things that I normally wouldn't purchase, but getting it for $125 seems like a very good deal. It is a fashion style box. We are going to have 5 items in here. But when we open this up, this is our box, Curateur, the premier shopping membership. It's join our community and follow us on Instagram at Curateur. And then right on top there is our product card. And this is Xoxo that's on the cover, and she's very fashionable, and she always has some of the items in her photo, and we will see many of these things that are sitting there. So very, very lovely. I can't wait to see, and I don't remember what I purchased. So guys, let's get started. They always have it tagged with their little Curateur tag, all nice and neat. And the first item I'm going to pull out of here is Kapari, and this is the brand. It's SPF 50, and it is a sun shield body glow with SPF of 50. It's a broad spectrum UVA and UVB. It's 40-minute sweat and water resistant. So hey, that's kind of nice that they give you those specifics. And this is a $39 value. It's got an expiration date of 3/25. I love it when they put the expiration dates on it, so it'll be good for me for a couple of years. So that is great to know. And it is a sun shield body glow and $39 value. I can't stay away from the sun, so finding an SPF that makes me want to put it on is crucial. This one is so radiant and light, plus it has a coconut scent to die for. Ooh, I love coconut. So maybe I'll just open this up so I can smell it. Ah, there, I got the lid off. They had that closed down good. I'm gonna pump out a little bit. As you can see, the consistency of it. Oh, this is nice. Oh, and it smells very good. And it's got like a nice dry oil feel to it. Oh, yeah, I like that. I'm going to put some on this side. Very nice. I love that. It smells really good too. That is a plus. I'm going to love using that. And I can see why she likes the way it smells. Now, the next item I'm pulling out of here is our Xoxo item. This is Lod the Label Gabby Mini Macrame Bag. And guys, this has a value of $118. So let's take a little look at this. This would have been cute to have at Cancun with me. This would be great for shopping. And then there's the label. And it's a Gabby Macrame Bag. It's 100% cotton exterior, lining, handmade in India. So this is very nice. You've got the cotton inside, so it's going to be breathable, and it is fully lined, and it has the name on it, Lod for the label. Inside there, I think the handles might be made out of bamboo or something. Let's see what it says. It's no secret that I am obsessed with all things 1970s. So for me, this macrame bag in summer is quintessential. The wooden handle feels so cool and vintage, but the color block brings it into modern day, so it mixes well with every style. And I'll have to say that's true. And guys, this is a really good quality of macrame, so they made it very nice, good quality, very cute. It's not overly sized. Of course, you could get your cell phone and your wallet and a few other things in there if you're just carrying it around town. But this is very, very cute. Love it. Okay, guys, our next item in here is Xoxo, and this is a choice item from Xoxo, and it's Neenah sunglasses, and they have a $98 value. Look at these. This is a little bit different color. I wasn't expecting them to be in this clear iridescent color. It says, dressing for summer is always light and effortless, which creates an even better canvas for the accessories and, of course, my sunshades. Aren't those cute? What do y'all think? I think they're cute. Apparently, we could have got two different choices, and maybe I chose this one, and I'm glad I did. I like that light color. It looks well with, you know, like what I have on already, which would be something I would have at the beach or at the pool, possibly something similar, but I love the colors. So I'm glad I picked the lighter shade colors. That is just perfect. And our next item is an Etica jewelry piece, and this is a starry charm chain link bracelet. It has a $45 value, and I don't know if I mentioned it, but the sunshades had a $98 value. And the Etica jewelry has a $45 value, and I guess they've got a little scan card there where you can use that 20% off code. If you want to screenshot that real quick, you could use that code as well. And it comes in the little Etica bag, and we've got extra couple little rings here. So let's check this bracelet out. It's like a starry charm bracelet. It says summer is all about dressing with ease. So it's nice to find a jewelry piece that you can leave on no matter what you're changing into. That's what I love about this charm bracelet, as it can easily be dressed up or dressed down. But isn't that lovely? And then you've got your charms on there. You've got the, looks like a star, and then the other little charm there. So very, very cute. I really like that. Very nice. $45 value. And then our last item that we have is a Walter Baker. And Walter Baker, she does a lot of things with him. And this here is a Corsica sarong, and it has a $148 value. And I picked the one that she happened to be wearing on her cover. And this is the sarong with the chain colors on there. Isn't that pretty? It has like the belted look on there. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? And then of course here's our Walter Baker tag. And it is very nice. And this would have been nice to have too, but of course I have it for next year or another time that I might be going. But let's just see. I noticed that she had it on around her body, but I'm just going to pull it up here so we can kind of get a general idea of how this would look. And you can wear a sarong, you know, as a skirt. You can use it over the body, which that's the way she has it on. She has it on and then is wearing it for a blouse. So it can be done either way. And just look how nice that's going to go with the macrame bag that we have. It's just perfect. And then of course you'll be all in style with your bracelet on. And then we have our nice little sunshades. Oh yeah, we'll be styling. And then we'll be having sun protection with our Kapari sun shield that smells like coconut. So yay! I love this box. It's so much fun, and I love having these little fashion pieces that normally I would not be able to go out and buy. Probably I don't think that I would spend $148 for a sarong, no matter how pretty it is, but it's nice to get it in this box. And I want to show you that the case cover for my sunglasses is like alligator. So that is very nice, and again, that was a $98 value. So as a recap, we had these fashionable sunshades, and I do like them, and I think I picked the right color for me. And we had this nice case to store them in. We had the Kapari Sun Shield SPF 50. We had this beautiful bracelet, and we had this beautiful macrame purse, as well as this gorgeous, gorgeous sarong that seems to go perfect with what I have on right now. So this is great. This is fantastic. Thank you, Rachel Zoe, for another great curation. And if you're interested in this, I'll have information down in my description box. She does on occasion on your first box have some kind of special where you get a discount, and or she may give you a free intro welcome box. You just would go to her site and there would be some kind of pop-up. But the regular rate is $125 a quarter. It comes out summer, fall, winter, and spring, of course. This is our summer curation, and I just love it. Let me know what your favorite item is. Oh my gosh. I don't know how you can have favorites. Okay, I'm going to pick 3. I love the sunshades. I love this bag, and this is just beautiful. Let me know what you think. Now guys, I did buy some add-ons from the Curateur, and I'm going to go through those real quick. They came in this bag, and it was a $75 value, and I had a $75 credit, and I think by the time I paid a little bit of tax, I might have paid $2 for this package. But I want to get in here and show you what I got. It was a special that she had going on, and I got several items for my value of my dollar. And it included some makeup, and I also got a piece of jewelry. And I don't know the individual prices of this. I just know the total value was $75. And like I said, I used my credit to go toward it. But what I got was some earrings. And this here is like some white colored earrings, which ironically would go really well with what I have on right now. So I may just try them on real quick. I don't always buy out of her shop, but every once in a while she'll have like, it's more than half price. It was like, I want to say she was having like 55 to 70% off on certain things. And I decided that I would check it out and get some. But I really like these earrings for number one. And like I said, it even goes with what I have on. So that is just perfect. And of course, you know, I got my little bracelet from Temu. Yeah, you can put some nice Richie stuff with your cheap stuff. But anyway, I really like the earrings. What do you guys think? Now, I did get a little kit, and it had a Laura Geller palette, and I want to show this to you guys. I don't remember which color I got. This is the Casual Collection Beige and Brown. And you guys know I do use like a base of brown a lot of times on my eyes. So I thought I would like to have this to have a base of colors that are in the neutral tones. And isn't that pretty? Oh yeah, Laura Geller. And then we have silver and gold tones. We've got the brown tones. That is very pretty. Oh, I'm gonna love that. I like having the golds and the silvers for a little pop of color on the inside of my eyes. So I'm gonna love that. And then I also got with that, it's a kohl eyeliner, and it's by Jillian Dempsey or Dempsey. So that is what this is, and this is just going to be a black eyeliner. I'm going to like that. I'm sure it's great. It just glided on. Look at that, just with a bare touch. Very, very nice. I'm going to like that. And then, of course, one of my favorite lipsticks is MAC. And we got a MAC Bullet lipstick, and this one is in the color Ruby Woo, which I think I already have a Ruby Woo, but I use it all the time, so now I have a backup of Ruby Woo. Isn't that a beautiful color? Isn't it gorgeous? Oh, I just love that color. It may even be the color I have on. I think it is. Yep, that's the color I have on, Ruby Woo. That's what I'm wearing today. So I have me a backup of that, and I got that through Curateur store. And when you are a member, you can be a premier shopper at her store, and you can, you know, receive the deals that they have. And they have a lot of, I guess you could say, designers and upper line products. So if you're in the market for those top products and clothing, makeup, jewelry, and all that, you may want to check her site out. You may want to be a Premier member so that you can shop and get a little bit less discount. But now with my box of Curateur, and we've already gone over that, and now we've looked at my add-ons, that's all I have for Curateur. And I thank you all for being with me today. Be sure and check my descriptions for anything that's currently going on. I do have the Christmas in July PartyTime videos going on. There's five giveaways. I also have a Dollar Tree train that is either out or will be out soon, and it will also have a giveaway. And I have an I Won, So Can You that could still be current. So be sure and check out those things and join in the fun. But as for Curateur, that's all I have today. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.